Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable the Twitter direct messages. So if you are not receiving any message or the message request on the Twitter, your message is disabled. So simply you can enable that. First of all, open your Twitter mobile application and you have to click on the three lines on the left top. Now you have to click on the settings and the privacy, and from here you have to click on the privacy and the safety and go to the direct messages from here, and now you have to turn this toggle on. So now you will receive a message or the message request on the Twitter. So this is the way you can enable your direct messages on the Twitter application. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.